sent his prophets to humanity.
Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. The life of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, his miracles, his etiquettes, his qualities are so much that we can never ever comprehend and understand the Zat of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Amongst the qualities of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, one excellent quality was his mu'jizas and his miracles. The miracles which were given to Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam was such that all the miracles and mu'jizas which were given to the previous Anbiya alayhimus salam, all of them were found in the Zat of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and besides that many more miracles. Subhanallah, pointing towards the moon and the moon splitting into pieces, bringing the setting sun back to the middle of the sky. Likewise, many other miracles. And from those beautiful miracles, one beautiful miracle, inshallah, Hazrat Sayyidina Anas bin Malik anhu narrates this. And he says that there were the people of the Ansar who used to keep camels, and the camels used to do work for them. They used to carry water on their back, they used to carry the luggage and carry things on their back and move. So one group of the Ansar came to Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam and they said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, there is one camel of ours on whom we used to put some water, and we used to bring that water, but all of a sudden this camel has become wild. It became very rough. It's not carrying our camels. If anyone is going close to it, it's biting that person, and because of that we can't bring the water to the fields, and our fields are getting dry, our animals are not getting any water. Allahu Akbar. So Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam went to the field where the camel was present, and he saw that the camel was seated in one corner. So the Sahaba Kiram said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, this camel has, it bites whoever goes close to him. So we fear that if you go close to the camel, it might bite you. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, don't have any fear about me, don't worry about me. Subhanallah. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam then went to the camel. As soon as the camel saw the blessed face of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, it bowed his head down in sajda. Subhanallah. Then Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam held the hair which was on the head of the camel and made it do all the work which the camel was supposed to do. Subhanallah. So absolutely calmly, no roughness, no wildness, nothing. When Sahaba Ikram saw this, they said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, this is a camel who is an animal, and animals are, they don't have any aql, they don't have any intellect. Ya Rasulullah, if a camel can make sajda to you, then we humans who have more intellect, we are more deserving of making sajda to you, Ya Rasulullah. Look at the answer of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He said, if it was permissible for someone to do sajda to another human being, then I would have ordered the woman to do sajda to their husbands. Subhanallah. In this beautiful incident, we come to know about the excellent miracle of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that not only human beings, even that creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whose words we cannot understand, we do not know what they are saying, even they can understand the speaking of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and they recognize Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And then we look at the respect the animals show to Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that the animal even went in sajda. Subhanallah. And the beautiful nasihat which Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam gave, that it is not permissible for anyone to do sajda, but if it was permissible, I would have ordered the woman to do sajda to their husbands. Subhanallah, subhanallah. So from this we also come to know what is the rank and the status of the husbands, what are the rights a husband have over his wife. At the same time, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam also explained the rights of the wife over her husband. Subhanallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enable us to instill the teachings of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam in our hearts and minds. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wasallam.